Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to unbox my July Boxy Premium. I know it's August already, but I always get my Boxy Premium. For some reason, I always get it at the ending of the month, like right the last week of that month. So yeah, I'm just gonna do unboxings no matter what, because I really love the products and I love showing off my Boxycharm because I think it's the best subscription box out there. So yeah, let's just jump right into it and unbox. Here is the Boxycharm for July. This is the premium. The theme for this month was Boxycharm Sunshine right here. Wee wee wee, and it looks so cute. So the first product we have is this Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow, and this is in Reflect. So this is the packaging right here. And the color is like a copper rose goldish look to me. Here's a swatch for it, which was a weightless refined glitter eyeshadow infused with light reflecting pearls to create high impact sparkling eyes. The unique hybrid cream formula creates reflective, buildable dimension for everything from a delicate glimmer to an intense prismatic finish. And this retails for $29. So next we have, this is the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise bronzing palette. This is obviously a contour palette, and it is very beautiful. It has this big mirror, and then here is the shades that come in the palette, which is super cute. I will definitely be getting a lot of use out of this. This retails for $30, and this says the Bronze in Paradise bronzer palette is an addition to the much loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. It can be layered on top of a liquid, cream, or other powder complexion products. I'm very excited to try this out. This is the Biro New York Bitter Green Essence Toner. I've never heard of this brand. I've never tried this brand, so this is new to me. But this is what it looks like. This is actually really pretty. I don't know why, like looking at this calms me down, as weird as that sounds. But it looks thick. Like you can see there's a bubble here that's like you see it? It looks thick to me. I don't know why, it just looks thick, like jelly slime. I don't know. I'm just going crazy, whatever. This is the Biro Bitter Essence Toner. It says the Bitter Green Essence Toner is packed with 33 different green vegetable extracts, including artichoke, broccoli, and basil, that will hydrate and purify your skin, helping to smooth unwanted texture. This mega dose of antioxidants will nourish the skin while protecting it from premature aging. Well, shoot. This retails for $95. $95. This is nice to get. Next we have the 111 Skin Pollution Defiance Booster. This is I don't really know what this is. I've never heard of this brand either. Oh, these are drops. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It says 111, a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Okay, you know us, we definitely need that nowadays. We're always in front of our phones. This retails for $135. You know that meme? That's me, right? Girl, that's crazy. $135. Yeah, that's that. Next, we got this Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss right here, which is super cute, and it is in the shade Birthday Suit. I just put this on right now because my lips is a little chapped. Ooh, I love these long doe foot applicators. I love them. So we're gonna go ahead and. Oh, it smells good. It smells like candy. Ooh, but I don't, ooh, darn it. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. I don't know. It smells like cake. It smells so good. Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. Alamar Cosmetics is celebrating their 2-year anniversary by wearing their birthday suit, a universally gorgeous pink diamond dripped gloss, which is super cute. This retails for a total of $15, which I think it's super cute. I love the shade. It looks super pretty on. It's a little thick for me. Like it's so thick it feels sticky. But I think it's something I could get used to maybe. I don't really like sticky lip glosses. I hate sticky lip glosses. I like lip glosses that just kind of seep into your skin. Those are really nice to me. That seep into your lips, sorry. I really like lip glosses that kind of just like sit on your lips and they feel very like glidey and flowy. I don't really like sticky or thick lip glosses for this reason, but it's still a very pretty shade, and I'm probably most likely still going to be using this because of how pretty it is. I like it a lot. We got this Laura Geller Line and Define Dual Dimension Eyeliner right here. This is in black and brown. I have tried Laura Geller, but only because of Boxycharm, honestly. So this is a dual dimensions eyeliner right here, and it says the brown right here and the black is here. This is liquid eyeliner, and this is kohl eyeliner. I don't know what that means. Oh, kohl. Like, okay, we're gonna go ahead and swatchy right here. Oh, that was easy. That was like, I barely even touched my skin. This is gonna be exciting. That's cute. Okay. And then this is obviously a nice little felt tip. I'm gonna go ahead and put that right underneath. Beautiful. Look how nice. Super excited to try this out. Create killer eye looks that stun with intense bold lines and graphic cream kohl effects. With the Line and Define dual dimension eyeliner, a sleek, sexy, smoky look is only strokes away. And this retails for a total of $24. I think I would honestly speaking, I would buy this for $24. Next, we got this Fully Fire, I think this is a lipstick set. Folly Fire. Yes, the lipstick set right here. This packaging is actually super cute. We get 3 lipsticks. So I'm gonna take out all 3 and then I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them. Is in Full House. Packaging is cute little bullet, and then it has the Foley Fire logo there. Ooh, beautiful color. I love dark shades. So this is in Full House. Ooh, beautiful. That's such a pretty shade. Next we have the shade Here to Slay. It's a beautiful red. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. So pretty. This is the last one, and this is in Sunset Boulevard. A beautiful like pink mauve. Ooh, I definitely think this is gonna be my favorite shade. I think this one is gonna be my favorite shade. Look at all 3 of those. This is Full House. This is Here to Slay. And this is Sunset Boulevard, which I think this is going to be my favorite shade. Oh, it's so pretty. This is the Matte Manipulation Trio, and it's you know what you want, and they're not cheap. Everything has its price, but gorgeous lips are priceless. Grab your reds ranging from deep burgundy to pink nude to cover all aspects of your daily conquest. This retails for $40 for these 3. They feel really creamy. Like, I was applying them and they felt super creamy. They applied really easy. The colors are gorgeous. I can't really... They're vegan, cruelty-free, no gluten, and no fragrance, which is nice. At the Brow Bar Hollywood Icon Collection, this is what it looks like. That's us. But it has this cute little dual-ended brush and a cute little packing brush right here, and then this is a blending brush, and it has this gorgeous humongous mirror, and these are all of the shades that are in here. So the Hollywood Icon face kit, it says bombshells, get ready for your close-up with Brow Bar by Rima's Hollywood Icon face kit in Drama Queen. Each palette comes with a bronzer, which I'm guessing is this one right here. Is it? Which I'm guessing is this one over here. Translucent powder right here. 2 shades of blush. 2 shades of highlighter. And 4 shades of eyeshadow and a brush. A complete look, ready to go all in beautiful gold. Ready to go all in a beautiful gold compact. So this retails for a total of $45, which I think, honestly speaking, is pretty nice because, like it says, you have a translucent powder, you have 2 blushes, a contour shade, 2 highlighters, and 4 eyeshadows. So for $45, this is literally just a, you know, if you work early in the morning, you kind of just put your foundation on and get on the train or on the bus or in your car. Not your car, sis. But you kind of just get where you go, and like at your desk or in, you know, your break and plow, you know. So this is actually really cute, and the packaging is super cute. For $45, I'd buy this. Next we have the Cream Shop Next Gen Blender Set. This is super cute. I absolutely love blending sponges. I love blending sponges. A duo of uniquely cut sponges designed to apply and blend cosmetics to all areas of the face, including those hard to reach places a traditional brush or sponge can't get to. Easily apply and blend powder and liquid foundation for a flawless complexion. This retails for $22, which is a pretty decent price, I think, for good sponges. I've never tried these, so that's still on the fence, friend, but I'm super excited to try them out, so, you know. Next, I think this is what I'm most excited about. It would be a lot better if, you know, Coronao wasn't around, but this is such a cute little bag. So this is a cute bag, a Boxycharm bag. It is made out of like a plastic, it's a waterproof plastic, and it comes with these cute little pom-poms, which I think is adorable. It's just a cosmetics bag, somewhere you can put your makeup and stuff, and it's waterproof, so if you're at the beach or the pool or something and you just happen to grab it, or it falls in, or whatever the case is, everything that is inside of this is literally just okay. So it's great for, like, if you go to, like I said, the beach or the pool or something, you can put your phone, your little cosmetics, whatever you don't want, like your wallet, things like that you don't want to get wet, can go in here, and you just close it up and take it with you wherever you need to go, which I think is super cute. And this is the Boxycharm Neon Jelly Pouch with pom-poms. It says, these vibrant colored water resistant neon jelly pouches are essential for all your summer needs. Perfect for storing beauty products, beach necessities, and so much more. This retails for $20, which is super nice. I think this is so adorable. I love this bag. Last but not least, we have the Morphe X Maddie MUA Glam Palette, which I'm super excited about because I think this is so cute. I love the marble texture situation here. So yeah, I love Maddie MUA, so why not? But yeah. And you get this beautiful you know, mirror, and then here are all of the shades of the eyeshadow palette. This is such a diverse eyeshadow palette, I believe. It's so cute. And it comes with 2 highlighters, and then you have all of these great, you could pop so many looks out from this eyeshadow palette. So pretty. I'm super excited to try this out. And this is the, okay, it says, are you ready to go glam with Maddie MUA? This mirrored palette pairs up to 12 wearable anything but basic eyeshadows in matte and shimmer finishes, with 2 stunning highlighters. Yes, you've got every reason to be shook. And this retails for $20. So this is such a cute little palette. I'm super excited to try it out. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for unboxing this with me and sticking around and watching. yeah, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out if you haven't already. And if you're new, hello, my name is Sylvia. I am a mess, but I'm so happy to be your friend. Yeah. I'm gonna leave everything that I showed off in this video down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out as well, with some social media and stuff. I have a new Instagram, and that will be linked down below, so please definitely go and follow me. Yeah, I have some good quality photos. I think ever since I started the new Instagram, I've got this new passion in me, so the photos like but yeah, thank you guys for watching. I don't know, I talk too much. Yeah, I'll leave everything down below. If there's anything you guys want me to record or to post, whatever it is that you guys want to see me do, please comment down below and let me know what that is, and I will try to get it out for you, you know, if I can. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.